Ang didiscuss natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-add and subtract ng rational algebraic expressions with like denominators. Ibig sabihin, parehas ng denominators. Another case naman, kapag magkaiba ng denominators, unlike denominators, pagka ganon, it is a little bit complicated. No? I will create a separate video for that. So let's start with addition. Okay? Let's have, for example, we have 3x over 4 plus x over 4. So as you can see, meron tayong parehas na denominator which is 4. So ang gagawin nyo lang ay to simply copy the common denominator. Then you add the numerators. So 3x plus x. So remember, kapag walang numerical coefficient, meron yan dyan 1. So, at parehas silang may x, so we can add this. No, like terms yan. So, 3x plus x, that is 4x. Then, you copy 4. Since wala namang plus or minus dito, pwede tayo mag-cancel out dyan. So, pwede nating i-cancel out yung 4. So, ang natira na lang dito ay x. So, therefore, our answer is x. Okay? Now, let's have another example. Let's say we have x minus y over 8a plus, let's have 6x minus 3y over 8a. So, parehas pa rin ang denominator nila, so we simply copy 8a. Then add the numerators, x minus y plus 6x minus 3y. Okay? Now, in this case, we need to combine like terms. Pagsamahin natin yung may x. So, we have x. Hanap tayo na may x pa ito. No, that's plus 6x. Okay, next, yung y naman, we have minus y. Ano pa ang may y? Ito. That is minus 3y. Okay? To copy 8a. Now, combine like terms. Yung x plus 6x, since may 1 dito, that's 7x. Okay? Now, we have minus y or negative y minus 3y. Kapag ganyan, no, meron kang negative, tapos meron kang minus, i-add mo lang yung numerical coefficient, tapos yung sign ay minus. So, this is 1 plus 3, so that will become 4. Copy yung y, then copy lang yung sign na minus, over 8a. Okay? Now, pwede bang i-minus ito, yung 7x minus 4y? Hindi po pwede, no? Kasi magkaiba ng variables. Meron bang factor itong 7x minus 4y? Wala na rin. So, 7 and 4 walang common, magkaiba yung variable. So, hindi yan common monomial factor. So, therefore, this is now our final answer. Okay? Now, let's have another example. Let's say, number 3, 4x minus 5 over, let's say, 3x plus 1 plus 2x plus 7 over 3x plus 1. So again, we copy the like denominators, which is 3x plus 1. Then we add the numerators. So, kopyahin muna natin, para hindi tayo malito. Now, combine like terms. Okay? Pagsamahin natin lahat ng may x. So, we have 4x. Then, we have plus 2x. Then, yung wala namang variable. So, we have minus 5. Then, plus 7. Okay? Then, copy 3x plus 1. Now, so we can add this. 4x plus 2x, that's 6x. Now, we have negative 5 plus 5. Unlike signs, i-minus natin, that's 2. Sino ang mas malaki sa kanilang dalawa? Si 7. Si 7 ay positive. So, this is positive. Okay? You copy 3x plus 1. Now, Hindi ka pwede mag-cancel agad dyan ng x, yung 3, tsaka 6, bawal yan, no? Kasi meron tayong plus dito. What we're going to do ay tingnan natin kung pwedeng i-factor itong 6x plus 2. Tingnan natin anong GCF ng 6x and 2. That's 2. So, ang mangyayari dyan, 6x divided by 2, that is 3x. Okay? 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Now, you copy 3x plus 1. Kung mapapansin mo, we have common factor, which is 3x plus 1. So, we can cancel out that. Okay? So, ano na lang natira? That is 2. So, our answer now is 2. Okay? Now, let's just proceed to subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. Okay? Let's try number 1. Let's say 5a over 9 minus 2a over 9. So, again, we have the same. Parehas ang denominator, we have the same rule. Copy the denominator. No? Now, since subtraction na yan, minus na tayo dito sa taas. So, what is 5a minus 2a? Pwede bang i-minus yan? Of course, kasi para silang may a, that is 3a. Since wala namang plus or minus to, we can cancel out. Ano yung ka-cancel out natin? Yung 3 and 9. Ano ang pwedeng i-divide? 3. So, 3 divided by 3, that's 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay? Now, since merong kasamang variable yung 1, hindi na natin ilalagay yung 1. A na lang. And then, you copy 3. That's it. This is now our answer. Okay? Let's have another one. Let's have number 2. We have 4x over 3 minus 2x plus 1 over 3. So again, we have the same denominator. You copy that. Then 4x. Okay, now, tandaan ito. Kapag may minus ka, tapos ito ay mahigit sa isang term, ang gagawin mo, i-distribute mo ito. So, magbabago ang sign ng nasa loob. This will become minus 2x. I'm sorry. That will become minus 2x. Then ito, magbabago ka din ng sign. So, that will become minus 1. Okay? Tandaan yan kasi dyan maraming nagkakamali. Okay? Ba't kanina? Kasi isang term lang ito eh, no? Ito, dalawang term na sila. So, it's binomial. So, we have to distribute yung minus doon. Okay? Now, combine like terms. So, magkasama na itong x natin. So, 4x minus 2x, that's 2x. Minus, you copy 1. Kasi wala nang ibang, walang variable. Siya lang. Okay? Over 3. Now, pwede pa bang i-factor yung 2x minus 1? Hindi na. Hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-factor. So, meaning to say, that is now our answer. Okay? Now, let's have another. So, let's have number 3. Let's have this one. 4a minus 5 over a minus 3 minus 2a plus 1 over a minus 3. Okay? So, again, we copy the common denominator, a minus 3. Then, kopyahin natin yung 4a minus 5. Then, again, you change the sign of this one. Remember, i-distribute natin yan. Okay? Distribute natin sa loob. So, this will become minus 2a minus 1. Okay? Yung plus magiging minus. Kung minus naman to, magiging plus. Now, we combine like terms. Lahat ng may a pagsamahin. Ano? 4a minus 2a. Then, yung walang variables, pagsamahin, minus 5, minus 1. Now, remember that 4a minus 2a is 2a. Okay? Now, pag may nakita ka ulit na ganito, sabi ko kanina, if you have that, like that one, you add the numbers, but the sign is minus. So, minus 6 over a minus 3. Now, hindi tayo basta-basta mag-cancel out dito. Bawal yun kasi meron tayong minus. What we need to do is to factor 2a minus 6. Okay? By common monomial factor. Ano ang GCF niyan? That's 2. Diba? Walang a dito. So, hindi common yung a. Hindi natin ilalabas yung a. Now, 2a divided by 2, that's a. Copy minus. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. Then, you copy a minus 3. So, kung mapapansin nyo, parehas silang may a minus 3, cancel out. So, ano na lang natira? That is 2. So, our answer is positive 2. So, let's have